Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you're doing great. So here is a website that I worked with from Australia, and this is the audit and also the fixing. Okay, so I'm going to show you the audit first. So I did a very comprehensive audit report for this website, and if I show you the on page real quick, you can see this is the website, and this is the authority score for backlinking, organic traffic, keywords, the paid keywords, how it was performing. There were lots of errors, as you can see, 17, and warnings also 2000 warnings. And the site health also, you can see 88%. The crawlability score was 86, and other things related here. So there are also 404 errors which were causing them with some issues, like so this actually error attempts to access a web page that no longer exists have been removed or moved without proper redirection. So the redirection of the web page was facing some difficulties to actually find the relevant page. So this actually disrupts the experience of the users, and it might be really frustrating. So there were errors and other things which needed to be solved. So there were two pages have duplicate meta description. As you know that meta description is the beginning when searching for someone is searching for furniture, and then the meta description is duplicate. That may cause error, like Google will be unable to differentiate between the web pages, which one to pick, which meta description is the most suitable one. So Google, if unable to understand the website meta description, that will cause Google to not rank them properly. And also there were 623 pages which have duplicate H1 tags. So H1 tags needs to be one. So if there are duplicate H1 tags and title tag, that is going to be really frustrating, and that will be not a prominent thing to be in a website. So H1 tag for each page should be one. So for 623 pages, there should be 623 H1 heading 1. So if there is duplicate, that will be causing errors, and it will not rank the website properly, and it will violate Google's guidelines and standards. Okay, so there were 25 pages with much text within the title tag, so that was also needed to be fixed. And there are a lot of errors. You can see more than one H1 tag that is error that was needed to be fixed. And Google top ranking searches was also having some issues. Now if I go to the off page, you will see that there were a lot of toxicity backlinking. So there were a lot of backlinks that were not good, that was not coming from good high authority to domain websites. So that needed to be resolved. There were bad quality link penalties, the spam score, the domain authority score is also low. So this is the off page which needed to be solved. And now going to the local SEO audit report. While doing this local audit report for this website, as you can see, the online presence was pretty bad. So they were not getting enough traffic from their local area that they were running business. Their most target audiences were not finding them properly. You see, then the Bing issues were not found. Google business were not no issues found, but other websites there were a lot of issues. Okay, so this was the issues for local. And if I now go to the technical aspect of this website, okay, so there are a lot of, so 8 pages, too large HTML size. Too large HTML size is also very confusing and resulting poor user experience, as it says. 3 pages written for errors. There were 3 internal linking that were broken. So internal linking is really important for website. If the inside website pages are not linked properly with each other, then it might be frustrating for users to browse the website properly. And also Google cannot rank it properly because the crawling, the robot txt, the indexing of the Google will not be properly done here. Now let me go to the Google Search Console report. Okay, now from here you can find there were a lot of not found 404 errors, which is the not page found, page removed, redirection error, and soft 404, page with redirect. There were issues. Alternate page with proper camera tag needed to be fixed. Duplicate. So this refers to web pages identical or very similar but lacking preferred version of the specified to the business or website owner. So it will confuse the search engine about which version to index. Potentially, it will result ranking lower with content duplication issues. So duplication is a problem here. Now let me just show you the overall fixes. Okay, so SEO fixes and the report it says. So initially the organic traffic, as you can see, errors as it was before, and all the fear errors and all things were solved. And after the fixes, let me just show you. Okay, so initially the site health score 88%. Now, after the technical fixes, as you can see, it rose to 92%. And also the traffic that you can see 4.8K, 4.6K, 4.8K and 6K to 5.7K to 4.9K. So it also increased 6% here and 4% there. And this way the SEO was properly fixed. Now to show you the brief overall summary goes like this. So what is working, uh, GSC is configured properly, sitemap also successful, website is also mobile friendly, and it was successful. Page is also responsive now from mobile, from desktop, any devices, and as you can see, so I always present this report as easy as possible for my previous client, for my clients to understand them properly, what fixes were done, what problems were occurring, and how the fixes changed, how it improved the overall performance, and so on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you got an understanding of the auditing and fixing expertise I have as a search engine optimization specialist. Therefore, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope to talk to you soon. Take care.